Oh my fucking god! Why? Why won't people stop fucking ranting on me? Hello, demons. Super Bananaman, the awesome pre-order 2003. Today I'm gonna do a commentary on Christian Chicken Rant Super Bananaman, which is me by 10880 Gaming Channel. This video is going to suck. Why? Because he gave out valid reasons why he hates me. I've seen a few comments from this user telling me to stop swearing, but I already blocked him, so no big deal. Anyways, let's begin the commentary.
Hello everyone, my name is Christian
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Chicken. Does anyone like Super Bananaman the Awesome V under 2003? I respect your opinion, here goes nothing. Super Bananaman the Awesome V under 2003. No, more like Super Poopyman the Awful V under 666.
What kind of mock name is this? Huh? Can you explain?
Oh my gosh! This user sucks. This
Correction, this user rocks.
user like the Satan to say bad words.
It's freedom of speech. Learn to handle freedom of speech.
1. He said inappropriate language.
I said handle inappropriate language.
2. He said a bad word. What
I can say whatever I want.
the heck? Super Bananaman the Awesome V under 2003. You should know that Satan loves bad words. You
What's the deal? Huh? What's your deal?
can get arrested for doing that.
No, you can't.
3. He put smoking into a video.
Bruh, if you don't like smoking videos, don't watch my channel.
4. He puts a drugs or alcohol into his video.
I can use those if I want.
5. He hates God, love the bad words.
I love God.
Oh my gosh. Super Bananaman the Awesome V under 2003. What in the actual heck is wrong of you? Why would you put inappropriate contains on your description? You should know that Satan loves bad words. Because of you, you should be ashamed of yourself for saying bad words.
I can say whatever I want.
You know what? That is so it. Please try not to say bad words. Guess what? I will never ever trust her like you again, ever.
Oh my god. You know what? I'm done. Take this.
This is Sparta!
I can't do this. Just what the actual fuck is wrong with you?
Now, get your perverted butt out of my sight. Right? Freaking. Now.
I have no words. Why can't you handle freedom of speech, huh?
Sorry with the yelling everyone. This guy fault because he said bad words. I
Oh my god.
hope this channel gets deleted. Do you know
I'm never deleting this channel, ever.
who likes this user? Satan. He really loves him, but he can't. He is still grounded.
Satan, I'm pretty sure Satan doesn't like anyone.
Do you know who hates this user? Jesus. So screw Super Bananaman the Awesome
Jesus doesn't hate me.
V under 2003. And
Fuck you too.
screw Halloween. The Super Smash Bros. Ultimate is so many times better than Super Bananaman the Awesome V under 2003. End of rant.
Wow, what did I watch? This user is just a pain in the ass. Anyways, this is Daniel aka Super Banana signing off.